Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastav from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I will discuss a theorem on numerical of number of poles and zero of a meromorphic function. Let fz be a analytic inside and on a simple closed curve C except for a finite number of poles inside C, and let fz is not 0 on C, then prove that 1 upon 2 pi I integral C f dash z upon fz dz is equal to n minus p, where n and p are respectively the number of zeros and the number of poles of fz inside C. A pole or zero of order n is counted in n terms. Suppose that fz is analytic within and on a simple closed curve C except at a pole z is equal to a of order p inside C. Also let fz has a 0 of order n at z is equal to b. Then we have to prove 1 upon 2 pi I integral C f dash z upon fz is equal to n minus p. Let gamma 1 and gamma 2 be non-overlapping circles inside C with their centers at z is equal to a comma z is equal to b respectively. Then by corollary of Cauchy theorem we can write 1 upon 2 pi I integral C f dash z dz upon fz is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I integral gamma dash f dash z dz upon fz plus 1 upon 2 pi I integral gamma 2 f dash z dz upon fz. Fz has a pole of order p at z is equal to a. That implies fz is equal to gz over z minus a to the power p. This is equation second, where gz is analytic and non-zero within and on gamma. Taking log on 2, this is log fz is equal to log gz minus p log z minus a. Now differentiating with respect to z, this is f dash z over fz is equal to g dash z upon gz minus p upon z minus a. Our integral gamma 1 f dash z dz upon fz is equal to integral gamma 1 g dash z upon gz dz minus gamma 1 p upon z minus a dz. Again this can be written as integral gamma f dash z dz over fz is equal to integral gamma 1 gz dz upon gz minus 2 pi I p. Since gz is analytic, then g dash z over gz will also be analytic in gamma dash. Then by Cauchy theorem, integral gamma dash gz dz over gz is equal to 0. Then integral gamma 1 f dash z dz over fz is equal to minus 2 pi I p. This is equation third. Since fz has a 0 of order n at z is equal to 0, at z is equal to b, that implies fz is equal to z minus b to whole power n phi z. Now again taking log, so log fz is equal to n log z minus b plus log of phi z. Now differentiating with respect to z, this is f dash z over fz is equal to n over z minus b plus phi dash z over phi z. Since integral gamma 2 f dash z dz over fz is equal to integral gamma 2 n dz over z minus b plus gamma 2 phi dash z over phi z dz. Since phi z is analytic, then phi dash z over phi z also. Then by Cauchy theorem, integral gamma 2 phi dash z dz over phi z is equal to 0. Integral gamma 2 f dash z dz over fz is equal to integral gamma 2 n over z minus b dz. Integral gamma 2 phi dash z dz over fz is equal to n 2 pi I. This is 4. Now using third and 4 in first, this is 1 upon 2 pi I integral c f dash z dz over fz is equal to 1 upon 2 pi I minus 2 n pi I p plus 1 upon 2 pi I 2 n pi I. This is 1 upon 2 pi I integral c f dash z dz over fz is equal to minus p plus n. This is 5. Let fz has poles of order pm at z is equal to am for m is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on r, and fz has zeros of order nm at z is equal to bm for m is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on within C. Then 1 upon 2 pi I integral c f dash z dz over fz is equal to minus summation m is equal to 1 to r pm plus summation m is equal to 1 to small delta nm. Now taking summation r is equal m is equal to 1 to r pm is equal to p and summation m is equal to 1 to s nm is equal to n. So this can be written as 1 upon 2 pi I integral c f dash z dz over z is equal to n minus p. Thank you.